To my lovely viewers, this is Alwati World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you Firefox is not running setting on in Mozilla Firefox browser. So for this case we will open a Mozilla Firefox browser that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here and go to this. Clicking the three bar icon here, enter the settings option. So in this settings option, so we'll get the front page, and in general page we will find it. So scrolling in below, then we will get it. So scrolling again, see here the Firefox updates. So here allow Firefox to, we want to select it or marking these things. So when Firefox is not running, so automatically install updates recommended. So before that I will mark it first, then I will mark it here. So in this way we can do these things. That means the Firefox is not running, that thing has been marking or selecting. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.